Hello, Andreas Hollmann here from Dresden, Germany. Today I want to present you a new approach how you can verify data from using Selenium from HTML pages. Let's have a look. I want to present you how you can verify today the text from these bullet points using few code of lines and creating stable regression tests which are less in maintenance. Okay, let's do this. First of all, I get HTML using the ID of this block, which you've seen, which was red marked. And then I do like snapshot, then JSON snapshot from HTML string. And with that, I create a snapshot, JSON snapshot, and I convert HTML to a JSON content. Then I do assert to file, and by that I store all the JSON content which is stored in which is containing in this JSON snapshot to a file. This file is called actual snapshot, and it's stored in the target folder. You can see here in this target folder. Here we created a new folder for snapshots. Let's execute this test. You will see what I mean. Here you will see another folder now, and the snapshot is named by the class name and method name. Actually, by method name, which is annotated with test annotation. So you see this website is executing now, and here you have now a snapshot folder. And in this snapshot folder, you see you have the package name structure, and then you have also a new file, JSON. We open this, and it has a name like a class and the method name. You see here. So, and this JSON, you see it contains the whole HTML as a JSON content from this block, only from this block, which we fetched by the ID. So, and of course, you see this JSON content contains actually our bullet points, but it also contains not needed information like classes, like all this not needed tags. Let me show you how you can remove all this in few code of lines. First of all, I want to retain only the text nodes. I can do this by just filter this. You say retain. You can actually execute different filters on this snapshot. And you see, I select this node in IntelliJ, you see here below the JSON path. I can copy it, and if I would add here, I will retain only this path, but I won't actually retain all the text nodes. So, and I use asterisk to say, okay, I want to retain all text nodes. This is easy expressions, something like X, but it's easier. It supports actually only asterisk and some ranges. It was developed for using with JSON content. So, and you see here, it's executed again, and this is our actual snapshot, which is stored in our target folder. And you see we have now only text nodes, nothing else. So you see here we have also header, what we don't need about this item. And we have also some see more product details. We also don't need them. And what you can see, our bullet points are stored here in an unordered list. So we can use this unordered list in our easy expression to retain only our text. So I execute this again. You see this JSON path needs to be matched to this easy expression. And this H1 doesn't match because it doesn't have unordered list element. Also the the more details elements below, and therefore they will be removed. You see, now we have only our bullet points. So this is good, but this test will fail if any HTML text will be added here, like another div will be added, and I don't want, because this test will fail, because this is not the scope of this test to test this technical information. So I need to remove all this not needed parents, and I can do this by trimming this tree. I will trim actually the string to the text nodes. I can do this by using trim. Let's do this trim. Okay, like this, and I will use also text nodes, only for text nodes. So now you will see any not needed information will be removed, and only text nodes retain. Okay. Okay, now we have actually our test scope, what we need, but still I see here spaces and I want to remove them. Okay, if you like these spaces, you can retain them, but I want to remove them just to show you how you can use map method. So to remove them, I will just say map, and this needs, you can see this needs a mapper first and then easy expression. So let's say this is value. I want to use string utils from Apache, and I will send trim. Trim method will remove any spaces from the beginning and the end, and I will say match any nodes here. Yeah, and if I do this, I will use here regex, here lambda expressions. So if I do this, you will see that the spaces will be removed from the end. Also, here you see at the end, if also some spaces. So nice. This is actually I'm satisfied with this snapshot, and I to pass this test, I need to copy this snapshot to resource folder. It will become part of your test source code. Here, actually, in Snapshot, I copy this from the target folder to my resource folder. Here you see it's now here. And if I execute this now, it will be green. So, and yes, you can see, fine, it's green. And of course, if anything changes, if this text changes, this test will fail. I'll show you. I will change expected, but actually, I will just say here failure, just change some text. Okay, but actually your site, your web page will change, your bullet points will change, and then the snapshot will fail. So, but I want just to show you how this failure would look like. Okay. And here you see it fails. And in Jenkins and everywhere you will see then, okay, this is your path. Yeah, this is your element. And this is expected. And you see your failure because I changed the expected snapshot and actual was without failure. So and then you say, okay, who changed this feature last week and you will, or last days, and you will say this developer to fix your test. And look how maintenance looks like. To maintain this test, you just execute this test again. You get your actual snapshot file. You will copy it to the resource folder like this. Okay, and you will override this. And then if you execute it, because now these files are completely the same, your test will be green. Also, it's pretty nice to see all these changes in Bitbucket. You will see immediately which changes are made. Also, if you create pull request, you will see the data which you verify in your automated test. This approach with Snapshot is really a great idea to create stable maintenance test. And you see how less code I wrote here. There were no complex XPaths to fetch this data from HTML elements. Also, there are no bullet here. This not needed code like assert equals many times. So, and you see all failures at the same time in the beautiful overview. So, okay, I showed you this example. I next time I will show you more. We will verify other parts of this Amazon web page, and also this technique you can use to verify REST services, to verify SQL databases, and so on. So see you next time. Andreas Holman from ExpectedBits. See you. Bye.